Hello, Southern Sage here, and this is Bob, or the Bug Out Bag. So, as promised, this week we're going to be talking about emergency preparation and specifically the 72-hour Bug Out Bag, or Go Bag, or emergency kit. So, the idea behind this is that you take everything that you would need to survive in a pretty rough situation for 2 to 3 days and you put it in one easy to carry package. So this one is a $15 camping backpack that I got off of Facebook Marketplace. There is no need to put a whole lot of money into this unless you are a person who camps and hikes regularly and you plan to use it for that function. Right, so this thing, if it's ever used, and I hope it's not, will only get used for a few days, and that's really what it's got to do. So you need something that is big enough to hold 2 or 3 days worth of stuff. So a 2 to 3 day hiking pack is about right. It needs to be something you can wear comfortably. I would strongly recommend you get something with these hip straps, right? Because if you actually have to pack this thing for any length of time, your shoulders are going to hate you if you can't strap this around your hips. Now, why would you want to have one of these things? So this is to cover you in case you need to evacuate on short notice. And almost everybody has a reason they would have to do that. So where I am in Kansas, there could be a wildfire. I live in a rural area. If society's resources get stretched, a wildfire could certainly come through here and cause us to have to evacuate on short notice. I live close to a set of railroad tracks. There could be a train derailment of a chemical train that would require me to evacuate and not be able to come back until those chemicals were dealt with. There could be a tornado, right, that actually hits my house or does enough damage around it that we would have to leave. These kits are also good for outages that don't make you leave your house, but that make it so that normal things don't work for a few days at a time. Think power outage. Right? So if everything I need to cook and eat and stay warm is in this pack, and the lights go out in the dead of winter or the lights go out in the heat of summer, then I should have everything I need in this bag to get through 2 or 3 days of a power outage. So these are great to have on hand. They don't take a whole lot of time to put together. Most of what goes in it are things that you probably already have. And over the series this week, we're going to take this apart. So tomorrow we're going to start with first aid, and then we'll work our way through food, water, clothing, and miscellaneous tools that are good to have on hand that you may not already have, because there are some things like that. But for today, this is Bob, and you have now met Bob.